Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the C4 cycle. Up to mid 60s, it was universally accepted that the Kelvin cycle is the only path of CO2 reduction in photosynthesis. That means atmospheric carbon dioxide is converted into carbohydrates. But in 1957, Kortchak found the first 4 carbon compound organic acid in sugarcane plants. In 1957, Korchak and his co-workers uh, found that the first stable compound synthesized in sugarcane plant is 4 carbon compound rather than 3 carbon compound, 3 phosphoglyceric acid. It is a organic acid in sugarcane plants. Later on, in 1960, Karpilov found the same 4 carbon compound as the first stable compound in maize plant. And in 1966, two scientists, M.D. Hatch and C.R. Slack, worked on the complete mechanism of C4 cycle in sugarcane plants, and he found that the first stable compound formed during this cycle is 4 carbon compound, and that is oxaloacetic acid. After that, the C4 cycle is also known as Hatch and Slack cycle for finding of this detailed structure of C4 cycle in sugarcane plants. C4 cycle is also known as dicarboxylic acid cycle. Why it is called dicarboxylic acid cycle? Because during these cycles, two various places the carbon dioxide is accepted. The first carbon dioxide is carboxylated with the phosphoenol pyric acid with atmospheric carbon dioxide and formation of 4 carbon compound oxaloacetic acid. First CO2 carboxylated in the mesophyll cell of chloroplast, and second CO2 after the malic acid oxidative decarboxylation of malic acid, one carbon dioxide released during this process of oxidative decarboxylation, and now this released carbon dioxide uh, accepted by ribulose 1,5 biphosphate in the bundle sheath cell of chloroplast. That's why C4 cycle is known as dicarboxylic acid cycle, because in two places, one in basophil cell and second one is in bundle sheath cell, two places carbon dioxide is accepted. That's why the cycle is known as dicarboxylic acid cycle. The C4 cycle occurs in that plants are recently classified into three different groups on the basis of biochemical pathways. The C4 plants are classified into three groups. First, the plants having NADP malic enzyme as carboxylating second, the plant having NAD malic enzyme as carboxylating enzyme, and the third, the plant having PEP carboxylase as an enzyme for carboxylation. C4 plants, it is also known as dicarboxylic acid cycle or C4 cycle. Now, the plants having the C4 cycle are classified on the basis of the phytochemical pathways and are three different types. The C4 plants having the NADP as a malic enzyme for carboxylation. Second group, the plants having NAD malic enzyme as a carboxylating enzyme, and third plants, the plants having PEP carboxylase as an enzyme for carboxylation. On the basis of these three various enzymes, the C4 cycle or C4 plants are classified into different three groups. The first group occurs into sugarcane, maize. The second occurs in the plants of portulaca, oleracum, and also Atriplex, spongiosa, and third group, which is having Phosphonella pyruvate carboxylase as a carboxylating enzyme, occurs into Panicum, Sporobolus, Poireti, NADP malic enzyme as a carboxylating enzyme occurs into sugarcane and maize plants. NAD malic enzyme as a carboxylating enzyme occurs into Portulaca oleracum, Atriplex spongiosa, and the third group of C4 cycle or C4 plants is PEP carboxylase as a carboxylating enzymes occurs into Panicum and Sporomylus poeticum. C4 plants having the special type of anatomy is known as Kranz anatomy. Now in Kranz anatomy, the vascular bundles, that means xylem and phloem, is surrounded by a layer of bundle sheath cell. The chloroplast of bundle sheath cells are larger in size and number of chloroplast is more in bundle sheath cells, and bundle sheath cell is surrounded by one or two layer of mesophyll cells. The bundle sheath cells chloroplast are larger in size. In mesophyll cells, the cells are shorter in size. The vascular bundles is surrounded by a single layer of bundle sheath cells and one or two layer of mesophyll cells. It is known as the Kranz type of anatomy. The half cycle occurs into bundle sheath cells of chloroplast and remaining half cycle occurs in mesophyll cell of chloroplast. Students, we are going to learn the diagrammatic representation of this C4 cycle. Pyruvic acid, phosphoenol pyric acid, oxaloacetic acid, malic acid, aspartic acid, malic acid, pyruvic acid, carbon dioxide release, cellulose 1,5 biphosphate, 2 carboxy, 3 K2 arabinetol, C3 cycle, formation of carbohydrates. Atmospheric CO2 enter, combine with water molecules, NADPH plus H, NADP, transaminase enzyme, malic dehydrogenase enzyme, malic enzyme, ATP, ADP, phosphate, pyruvate, dikinase. 3 carbon compound, 4 carbon compound, 4 carbon compound, 4 carbon compound. Students, this is the complete diagrammatic representation of C4 cycle. The C4 cycle is occurs in the chloroplast of mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cell. The half parts occurs into the mesophyll cell and second half parts occurs into bundle sheath cell. During mesophyll cell, stomata are open. Through open stomata, atmospheric CO2 enter into the leaf, into the chloroplast. Water is already present. First, carbon dioxide enter into the leaf. It is reacted with water molecules to form bicarbonate ions. And now phosphoenol pyric acid is the first CO2 accepted during the mesophyll cell. And the phosphoenol pyric acid combined with these bicarbonate ions with the help of enzyme PEP carboxylase. form oxaloacetic acid. It is the 4 carbon compound, first stable compound. That's why the cycle is known as C4 cycle. Oxaloacetic acid is converted into malic acid or either aspartic acid. In some plants, oxaloacetic acid is converted into malic acid. In some plants, oxaloacetic acid is converted to aspartic acid. Formed 4 carbon compound, oxaloacetic acid is converted into malic acid by utilization of 1 NADPH2 molecules, which is synthesized during the light phase of photosynthesis with the help of enzyme malic dehydrogenase. The formed malic acid in mesophyll cell is transported towards the bundle sheath cell of chloroplast. Now in bundle sheath cell, malic acid goes oxidative decarboxylation with the help of enzyme malic enzyme. 1 carbon dioxide is released and 3 carbon compound pyric acid also formed during the oxidative decarboxylation. Released carbon dioxide captured by or accepted by ribulose 1,5 biphosphate. First CO2 accepted in mesophyll cell and second CO2 accepted in bundle sheath cell. That's why C4 cycle is known as dicarboxylic acid cycle. The carbon dioxide combined with ribulose 1,5 biphosphate to form unstable compound is known as 2-carboxy 3-keto arabinotol. Now the unstable compound is a 6 carbon compound. It is converted into 3 carbon compound phosphoenol pyric acid and complete C3 cycle occurs in bundle sheath cell and formation of carbohydrates, that means fructose 6-phosphate. The formed malic acid during bundle sheath cell is back transported towards the mesophyll cell, and in mesophyll cell pyric acid is converted into phosphoenol pyric acid by utilization of ATP molecules, which is also synthesized during the light phase of photosynthesis with the help of enzyme phosphate pyruvate dikinase. Students, oxaloacetic acid is converted into malic acid in sugarcane plants, maize plants, but the second type of C4 plants is known as NAD malic enzyme as a carboxylating enzyme. That means in Portulaca oleracum and Atriplex spongiosa plants, the oxaloacetic acid is converted into aspartic acid, and now the aspartic acid reconvert into oxaloacetic acid and releases of carbon dioxide and pyric acid. Released carbon dioxide is entered into the C3 cycle, complete C3 cycle occurs, formation of carbohydrates are occurs. And in third type, where the PEP carboxylase enzyme as a carboxylating enzyme of C4 plants, the oxaloacetic acid is converted into aspartic acid. Now this aspartic acid back converted into oxaloacetic acid, and oxaloacetic acid in bundle sheath cell goes oxidative decarboxylation, converted into malic acid and releases of 1 carbon dioxide molecules enter into the C3 cycle. The 3 different ways the oxaloacetic acid is converted into malic acid or through oxidative decarboxylation, carbon dioxide molecules are released. So the C4 plants are classified recently into 3 different groups. First group having the NADP malic enzyme as a carboxylating enzyme. Second group having the NAD malic enzyme as a carboxylating enzyme, and third group having the PEP carboxylase as a carboxylating enzymes. Students, atmospheric carbon dioxide enter into the stomata, enter through stomata into the mesophyll cell, combine with water molecules, water is already present, and phosphoenol pyric acid 3 carbon compound to form bicarbonate ions, with the help of enzyme PEP carboxylase, bicarbonate ions combine with phosphoenolpyric acid to form oxaloacetic acid, 4 carbon compound. It is first stable compound formed during this cycle. That's why the cycle is known as C4 cycle. Oxaloacetic acid is converted into malic acid by utilization of 1 NADPH2 molecules with the help of enzyme malic dehydrogenase, or in some plants it is converted into aspartic acid. It is also 4 carbon compound with transaminase enzyme. The formed malic acid during mesophyll cell is transported towards the bundle sheath cell, and in bundle sheath cell malic acid goes oxidative decarboxylation, and with the help of enzyme malic enzyme 1 carbon dioxide is released during this oxidative decarboxylation. Carbon dioxide combined with ribulose 1,5-biphosphate is the second CO2 acceptors during the bundle sheath cell. And first unstable compound formed 2-carboxy 3-keto arabinotol. It is 6 carbon compound. It is quite unstable, and it is converted into 3 carbon compound 3-phosphoglyceric acid, and now 3-phosphoglyceric acid completes the C3 cycle, Calvin cycle here, and formation of carbohydrates. The formed pyruvic acid 3 carbon compound during oxidative decarboxylation of malic acid, it is back transported towards the mesophyll cell, and in mesophyll cell 3 carbon compound pyric acid is converted into phosphoenolpyric acid by utilization of 1 ATP molecules with the help of enzyme phosphate pyruvate dikinase. And now the formed phosphoenolpyric acid is ready to take another atmospheric CO2. This is a cyclic process. The formation of phosphoenolpyric acid, again 1 carbon dioxide combined with this phosphoenolpyric acid to form oxaloacetic acid, then malic acid, oxidative decarboxylation, and complete C3 cycle occurs, and formation of carbohydrates during C4 cycle. The formation of reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates occurs in 3 different ways in this C4 cycle. The oxaloacetic acid is converted to malic acid in sugarcane plants. Oxaloacetic acid is converted into aspartic acid, occurs in Portulaca oleracum plants, and oxaloacetic acid is converted into aspartic acid, then oxaloacetic acid, and it is transported towards the bundle sheath cell where it goes oxidative decarboxylation, occurs into panicum plants.